Looking for a song that sounds beautiful on the violin but isn't too hard to learn? Enchanted might be just the right choice for you. This dreamy Taylor Swift song is perfect for practicing your slurs and sounds good on the violin even if you're still learning. It's being said that she wrote the song after meeting someone and feeling a special connection. So maybe you will feel some magic when playing this song. Or you can play it for someone you feel a special connection to. Hey, it's Julia from Violin Inspiration and let's learn Enchanted together today. But wait a second. Are you seriously watching this without your violin? My channel is not a Netflix show. You need your violin to practice. So get your violin now, and if you're watching this tutorial with your violin, please post the violin emoji in the comments so I know that you are actually practicing. Great, you got your violin. By the end of this tutorial, the goal is simple. You will be able to play this piece beautifully with the piano backing track on your own. First of all, you should know that there's two versions of this piece, a beginner version and an intermediate version on my channel. This is the beginner version, so if this one feels a little bit easy, try out the intermediate version on my channel. It's linked below this video. Next to that, to help you sound your best, I've added two free downloads under this video. First of all, a PDF of the scale of this piece that matches the scale that this song is written in. It helps you warm up and play this piece more in tune. Second, there's the download of the backing track. You can also find that below this video. Without further ado, let's get started practicing. Let's start slowly and gradually speed up in the play-alongs. You did it! Great job practicing with me. If you were able to play with the play-alongs, please post a thumbs up emoji in the comments. I'd love to know if you made it all the way until the end. Also, if you love the romantic melody of Enchanted, you will probably also love to play 1000 Years. I will link that video below. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Please leave me a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you want to practice with me again next week when I upload my next video, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notifications so you'll get notified if I upload my next video. Happy practicing!